Saigon is a city of sudden rains. They often arrive without warning, pouring down in a rush and disappearing just as quickly. These rains have a way of slowing down the city, draping its busy streets in a delicate veil. The usual sound of traffic seems softer, replaced by the steady rhythm of raindrops. In those moments, Saigon reveals another side of itself, gentler, calmer, and quietly romantic. Amid the falling rain, it's easy to notice little acts of care. Someone reaching out to shield another from the rain. Saigon's rains do more than cool the air. They carry with them tenderness, sweetness, and the quiet reminder of affection that often goes unnoticed in our hurried days. At HongHome, we believe it is precisely these simple moments that create the most lasting joy. That's why, on rainy Saigon days, we love to prepare small surprises for you. Perhaps a fragrant cup of tea, a sweet piece of cake, a thoughtful card with gentle wishes, or even a laundry voucher to let you feel cared for in every detail. These gestures are not just about convenience, they're a way of telling you that you are valued, cherished, and welcomed with warmth, so that when you sit by the window, watching the rain thread silver lines across the city, you may feel grateful for the chance to fully embrace the gentleness and sweetness that Saigon rain brings. For us at HongHome, we hope that every moment you spend here, even on rainy days, becomes a comforting, memorable experience, filled with warmth and ease, like a piece of Saigon you'll always carry with you.